Are you ready to unlock the future? Imagine using AI tools to generate income while you sleep, while you travel, or even when you're simply relaxing at home. Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence isn't just revolutionizing technology, it's creating insane opportunities for anyone looking to make money online. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius. In today's video, I'm revealing the 10 easiest and most up-to-date ways you can start earning money online using AI in 2025. These methods are beginner-friendly, effective, and growing like wildfire. So grab a notebook because you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on money-making strategies like this one. And hey, let me know in the comments which AI tool you've tried before. Let's get started. 1. AI-powered content creation for blogs and businesses. First up is AI content creation, one of the easiest ways to make money. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy AI allow you to create high-quality blog posts, email newsletters, and even website content in minutes. Businesses worldwide are willing to pay for quality content, and you don't need to spend hours writing. Simply prompt the AI, polish the content, and sell it as a service on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Some AI writers are earning $50 to $200 per project. In 2025, this demand will explode. 2. AI-generated YouTube scripts and videos. Second on the list, YouTube automation with AI. If you're camera shy, this is for you. AI tools like Pictory or Synthesia can generate entire videos for you. These platforms use text-to-speech, AI avatars, and stock footage to make content without you ever showing your face. Simply choose a niche, create a script with AI, and the tools do the heavy lifting. Monetize your YouTube channel with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. This can become a passive income machine. 3. Selling AI-generated art and graphics. Number 3. AI art. Platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva AI are making it super easy to create stunning artwork. You can generate designs for logos, social media posts, book covers, and even NFTs. Sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or directly to clients. Businesses and creators are constantly looking for unique designs, and you don't need artistic skills, just your creativity and AI. Imagine earning $10 to $50 per piece for AI-generated art. 4. AI tools for social media management. 4th, AI-powered social media management. Tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Flick AI help schedule posts, generate captions, and optimize content strategies for Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Many businesses lack time to manage their socials, so you can offer this service. Combine AI scheduling tools with AI-generated captions to save time and grow client accounts effortlessly. Charge anywhere between $300 to $1,000 a month for social media management services. 5. Voiceover and audio services using AI. Next, voiceover work. Even if you hate the sound of your voice, AI tools like Murph AI or Resemble AI can generate realistic, human-like voices. You can use these tools to offer audiobook narration, explainer videos, ads, or even video game voiceovers. Start small on platforms like Fiverr and work your way up to higher-paying projects. AI voiceover tools are revolutionizing the audio industry. 6. Build and sell chatbots for businesses. At number 6, AI chatbots. Businesses need chatbots for customer service and sales, and tools like Chatfuel, ManyHat, and BotPress let you create them without coding. It's simple, quick, and in high demand. Offer to build customized chatbots for small businesses and e-commerce stores. Charge $500 to $3,000 per bot, depending on features. 7. AI for email marketing campaigns. 7th, email marketing automation. Email tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Beehive now integrate AI to optimize campaigns. They can help write subject lines, segment audiences, and analyze open rates. Offer email copywriting and automation as a service to e-commerce brands, consultants, and course creators. It's a scalable income opportunity. 8. AI-powered course creation and coaching. At number 8, online course creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Teachable make course planning, scripts, and resources easy. If you're knowledgeable in any topic, fitness, finance, AI itself, you can create a course quickly. AI will help with the heavy lifting. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Thinkific can host your course for thousands of students. 9. AI affiliate marketing with tools and services. Next, affiliate marketing with AI tools. Many AI platforms offer affiliate programs where you earn commissions for recommending tools like Jasper AI, Surfer SEO, or Descript. Use AI to write blogs, create reviews, or generate social media posts that promote these tools. Place affiliate links and earn passive commissions. 10. AI-powered website building and design. Finally, AI website creation. Tools like Wix ADI, Framer AI, and 10 Web make building websites incredibly simple. You can build stunning, professional websites in hours and sell them to small businesses or bloggers. Businesses are ready to pay $1,000 or more for a functional, well-designed website. And with AI, you don't need coding skills. There you have it, the 10 easiest ways to make money online using AI in 2025. AI is making it easier than ever to start earning income, whether you're a freelancer, creator, or someone looking for passive income. Remember, the key is to start now and take action. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more people. Subscribe to the channel for more future-proof money-making ideas and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. And hey, let me know in the comments, which of these methods will you try first? I'm curious to see where your AI money journey begins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.